Alright, so this is the imploding can experiment. All you need for this experiment is one bowl of ice cold water filled almost to the brim, and one can or soda can, soft drink can, filled with 5 tablespoons of cold water. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to heat this cold water on a fire or a stovetop or anything that will cause it to boil. So we're just going to turn it on and we're going to heat it until it boils. Alright, so now that the water has come to a boil, we're going to turn off the stove top and we're going to take this can and we're going to grab it with tongs, and right over the water you're going to flip it and the can implodes and shrivels up. And there's the can that's all shriveled up, and that's the imploding can experiment.